In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do accounting in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or a finance professional, understanding how to manage your accounts in this powerful software can streamline your financial management and give you greater clarity over your business operations. So, let's dive right in and explore each step in detail. First off, you're going to want to access the chart of accounts. This is a crucial step because the chart of accounts is essentially the backbone of your financial system, offering a systematic way to organize your financial information. To do this, navigate to the Accountant tab, which you'll find in the main menu, and then select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down. Once you've arrived at the chart of accounts, it's time to add the specific accounts that your business needs. You'll see an option to add a new account, usually represented by a plus new account button. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you can create accounts for various financial categories like assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Each account you add will help track financial transactions and categorize them correctly for accurate financial statements. Think of these accounts as drawers in a filing cabinet, each containing information for different parts of your business's finances. And remember, it's vital to create each account with the correct type and detail because this will influence how transactions are recorded and reported. To enhance your tracking and reporting capabilities, it's beneficial to organize sub-accounts under these main categories. By creating sub-accounts, you can achieve a more granular view of your finances, ensuring that even the smallest details are neatly accounted for. For instance, under a main account like expenses, you could have sub-accounts for utilities, rent, and office supplies. It's like having smaller folders inside your filing cabinet drawers where specific types of expenses are grouped, making it easier to track and manage them efficiently. This level of organization not only makes your financial data more precise, but also facilitates easier financial analysis, budgeting, and forecasting. And there you have it, your foundation in accounting with Zoho Books. By mastering these fundamental steps of accessing the chart of accounts, adding necessary accounts, and organizing sub-accounts, you're setting yourself up for accurate, comprehensive financial reporting that can drive smarter business decisions. The more diligent you are in setting everything up, the easier it will be to manage your finances in the long term. Remember that these tasks are not just about ticking boxes, but are crucial for building a framework that supports business growth and resilience. I'm confident that with these steps, you'll find managing your business finances in Zoho Books both intuitive and effective.